Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 270 Sea Ray Sundeck Outboard. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury white 350 Verado engine with digital throttle shift. This boat has the swim platform and walk-through sea deck option. Underneath the rear transom sun pad, you have plenty of storage. Into the boat, Fusion stereo remote and freshwater shower. Built-in cooler for the transom. As we enter the boat, huge L-shaped seating for entertaining. Plenty of seating on the port side. The boat has also a cockpit entry step. Dual seats on port and starboard with flip-up thigh bolsters. Also, the seats rotate for entertaining in the cockpit. Coming forward on the port side, this boat does have a full head. Over here at the helm, you've got the Simrad digital dash, anchor windlass, trim tabs, LED lights throughout the boat, and also underwater lights. Moving forward, full wraparound seating, flip down armrest, and the windlass anchor. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.